Hey everybody, this is Anonymous and Clickers, and we are gonna chase down an armored truck. We were doing something else, but there we go.
It's a revolution in human interaction. It's a revolution in social.
None of that time
To be discarded once achieving these acceptance.
Been waiting. What the hell is going on?
Got the money, let's run.
Yes! Oh,
Let's run. Let's go, we got about 10,000.
God. Well, they just tried. Oh, yeah, look, it's Bumblebee.
Seriously, can I knock it out?
See it, Copley. 3 stars. Yay!
You know what? We're gonna run anyways.
Did you know if you
I would just call Lester, but to make this video more interesting, I'm gonna run and see if I can make it away from the cars.
Oh, wow.
Let's try and get this bulletproof van so we can just do
Bulletproof van.
Oh no! Don't make me use it!
See, you didn't have to use it.
Now we got a bulletproof van. Ooh, now we can go to my house.
The bulletproof is not work if there's a hole, or if the doors are open. Hey, look, it's working.
Yep, we're literally bulletproof.
Yeah, slow, but bulletproof.
It just screws on down.
La 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 la. Bam. Oh, wow.
This is how easy it is to make 3 stars just to go away without them even damaging it. Except shooting their tires.
The tires are bulletproof.
No. If they were, this would be damage.
Oh, that's the only way to beat it, right? I think he lost a tire.
Yeah,
Let's just cruise down.
Thanks for the boost, cop.
I know, they give you boost and it works, but then, like, sometimes they push you into something. And that's pretty bad. Everything else is great about it.
Thanks for the extra boost.
Oh. Hey, Clippers, what are we gonna do? Oh, so you can like this.
Yep.
But what are we gonna do after we outrun the cops?
Probably just...
Sick. Oh wow, that guy. Oh, that guy's not dead yet. The helicopter got really close. We're going to the airfield.
Let's go to the airfield. I think that's probably our best bet.
Watch out, watch out. Yeah, that's probably our best
188 miles. Let's go.
We'll just hang out with us.
Generous cop friends are just gonna follow us and we're gonna be on.
Let's go, guys.
You know what? What I like about this is they're just wasting all their bullets when you can waste them on things. That's what I think is fun.
That's what makes me scared. Because they like when you're trying to chase it down with a bounty, usually you get stars in the process, and these guys just get in the way.
Yep.
So just grab a bulletproof van.
What's that?
Or just get a bulletproof car.
Ready! I'm ready.
We only have bulletproof vans.
Oh, we have one more. We have a car that's
Oh, jeez.
driving out of dirt road.
on, dude. You can do it. It's not that far.
Rocks. Rock and roll.
Alright, you know what? We're going on with our Titan. Let's go.
Hey Titan, how you doing? Reach the Titans! We'll probably make it. Yeah, we'll get it. Oh, well.
This vehicle is hard to fly, but you know what? It can be done.
It can. No. Oh, they're still... Oh, they're still... How are they shooting? You know what I really don't get? Sometimes they hit you from the back. They bounce off. With this, you could probably ram into that helicopter.
Yeah, but then you probably don't.
If you die, you don't have stars.
There's no lose.
Yeah, this is good.
Yes, we're already losing.
Oh, it's in Titan. Of course we're done. Then we need to grab our car, and we can probably drive the rest of it. Because by the
No,
time
I'm gonna like parachute them
to what?
to the house. There you go.
Okay. And then we'll after that, we'll go back. Wait, how did we lose that? Oh yeah, we got shot.
Alright guys, we just lost that. You know what? We're still just gonna fly home with this. We're just gonna do an epic parachute.
Hopefully.
So I think this deserves a like.
Yeah.
This was actually really good.
We robbed a store. No wait, we didn't rob a store. No, we robbed a armored truck.
So it's
Got how much money did we get?
like 10,000.
Okay. So always rob if there's ever a armored truck, that's the only thing you want to get. This is bad. Okay, so after this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. We can use all help we can get since we're done. Don't know what else to say, so I'll just say that hope we can do this. Yes. Well, let's just look on our YouTubing, and good night.
How did I get stars? What?
You're parachuting. And you trip.
Alright, there we go. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. This has been Cliggers and Anonymous out. Please like, comment, and of course, subscribe.